Hello everyone, this is Nehal. I've been using AI tool for quite a while, but today I'm more excited than ever. I believe I finally found the perfect tool I've been searching for a long time. This tool is Google AI Studio. It is completely free. In this video, I will guide you how to use it and unlock its full potential. Let's get started. Visit the Google AI Studio website and sign in with your Google account. Google AI Studio is mainly a platform for creating our training and deploying custom AI solution using Google's technology. Even if you are not a developer, you can still explore and experiment with the features. Let's dive in. Feel free to follow along. After signing in, you will reach the main interface. This is the main interface, right? On the left, click on Stream Real Time. This is, if you see, this is Stream Real Time, right? You have to click here. And then now you can see some option, Talk with Gemini Live. You have to link your mic the way I'm doing it right now. And then you can, first thing, you can do, you can talk to Gemini. Hello, Gemini, how are you? Oh, you have to allow your mic first, okay? And then, hi Gemini, how are you?
I am doing great. Thanks for asking. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good. Actually, I'm trying to show some demonstration how to use Google AI Studio, and I'm making
Okay.
a tutorial about it. So this is the first thing the guys can use about you. And do you like to say anything about this?
That sounds like an interesting tutorial. I would be happy to answer any questions, but provide information as needed. What do you have in mind?
In my mind, actually, I have to show how you can help someone to open the tools. And suppose I have Photoshop, right? And can you help me, can you tell me how to open a Photoshop?
Okay, I understand that you want to show how I can help someone use Photoshop. I can certainly provide general guidance, but I won't have direct access to the software. Are you ready for me to explain the basic process to start Photoshop?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, typically you would open Photoshop by locating the application icon on your computer. This is often on your desktop or within your applications folder. Once found, you would double click it to launch.
I
Is
do.
that the type of guide?
Oh, sorry,
Is
sorry.
there anything? No problem, I am here to help. Did you
So,
want me to continue, or is there anything else you wanted to ask?
oh yeah, now I'm able to open a Photoshop and tell me I like to create my first project. How can I do that?
Okay, so now you want to create your first project in Photoshop. After opening the program, typically you go to File in the menu, then select New to begin a new project. Would you like me to continue describing the process?
I got it, and there's a dialog box open, and its dialog box is showing the name. I can put the name on the file, and then there's a presets, and there's a width, height, resolution, color mode. I completely understand, and if I do OK, and it will show me the work area, right? Good, OK. And the second thing I like you to tell me about how can I open the Excel program?
Yes, that is correct. After clicking OK, a new document is created for you to work with. Now, for your second question, you want me to explain how to open Excel, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, to open Excel, you would usually locate the application icon on your computer, similar to how you open Photoshop. It might be on your desktop or in your application folder. Is there anything specific you would like to know?
Yeah, I opened the Excel program and tell me I know nothing about Excel. So, from where I can start Excel? How can I learn Excel?
Okay, so you've opened Excel, but you are new to it and want to learn the basics.
Yes.
I would suggest Okay, so to get started with Excel, the first thing to understand is that it is organized into rows and columns. Each intersection of a row and column is called a cell. Does that make sense?
Oh, yeah, these are the rows and these are the columns. I got it. All right.
Great. Now that you know the basic structure, you can start entering data into the cells, either text or numbers, and then begin to explore Excel's features, like formulas. Would you like me to explain further?
Oh no, thank you. It's done and really good. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Is there anything else you'd like to explore today?
Later. During this Google AI Studio demonstration, I pretended not to know anything about the apps and programs on my PC. However, this tool is really impressive. It can teach you anything from scratch. For example, it guided me on how to open Photoshop and Excel files. You can learn anything using this tool. Next, I plan to ask about the 3D software, Blender, and will pretend I don't know anything about it. During this Google AI Studio demonstration, I pretended not to know anything about the apps and programs on my PC. However, this tool is really impressive. It can teach you anything from scratch. For example, it guided me on how to open Photoshop and Excel files. You can learn anything using this tool. Next, I plan to ask about the 3D software, Blender, and will pretend I don't know anything about it. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Is there anything you need help with?
Yes. Could you tell me how to find Blender on my PC and how to open it?
Sure, I can help with that. First, you can search for Blender in the Windows search bar, located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you've found it, you can click on the Blender icon to open the application.
Okay, the application is open now.
Okay, I can tell you about the tools in Blender. There are many tools available in the program, organized into categories like modeling, sculpting, animation, and rendering, among others. Would you
Yeah.
like me to go through them?
Yeah, I can see file, edit, Blender, window, help, layout, modeling, sculpting, right? Okay, good. And tell me, what does it mean by the select box tool?
The Select Box tool allows you to select multiple objects or components within your scene by dragging a box around them.
Okay, and how about the cursor tool?
The Cursor tool is used to position the 3D cursor in your scene. This cursor is important because it's used as the origin point for various operations, like adding new objects or rotating items.
How about the move tool?
The Move tool lets you move selected objects or components along different axes.
Okay.
Do
How
you want
about,
me to explain?
how about the rotate tool?
The Rotate tool is used to rotate selected objects or components around a specific point.
Okay. How about the scale
Do you-
tool?
The Scale tool is used to resize selected objects or components proportionally.
Okay, like this.
Great, do what?
Right, okay, good. All right, okay, now I like to see another shape. I like to see the cone shape. What I supposed to do? Where I supposed to go and see the other shapes?
Okay, to see other shapes, you will need to go to the Add menu, then select Mesh, and then choose the shape that you want to see, like cone.
Yeah, good.
Is there...
Thank you for helping me for this
You're,
tutorial.
you're very welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Learning Google AI Studio is super important and so easy. It is like having a helpful friend right next to you, guiding you every step of the way with fun, interactive tools and real time feedback. You learn by actually doing it. Whether you are trying out new software or boosting your productivity, Google AI Studio makes everything simple and exciting. So why wait? Jump in, explore, and see what you can do. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fun stuff, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. It really helps the channel grow. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up.